Hi, this is Justice with Tablet Pro, and welcome to our install guide. If you guys use a Windows 10 tablet or a stylus, then this is a great channel for you. You can subscribe by clicking the link in the corner. All right, we're going to go ahead and open up the Microsoft Store, this little icon right here, and we're going to type Tablet Pro, and we'll have both of our options right here. This is the pen tool and the Tablet Pro Manager. We're going to click on the manager first, click on install. When that's done, we're going to go to the pen tool and we're going to click on the pen tool. The pen tool is $4.99, but there's a free trial here in the ellipsis. Click on install. And when these are done, I like to pin them to the start menu because they're awesome. All right, pin to start. And then we're going to open up the start menu. You can see Tablet Pro Manager and Tablet Pro Pen Tool. We're going to open up the manager and we're going to click on purchase. So you have a couple different options in here. We heavily discounted the full package to make that easier for you to purchase. And I wanted to say thank you. If you guys purchase the software, it goes towards aiding in future development, as well as supporting Takashi's family and my family. So again, I really appreciate you guys making that purchase. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to use the layout editor, how to customize your presets, layouts, modes, artist pads, and how to get all the buttons to fit, make them look good, and add all sorts of advanced functions. So stay tuned and subscribe, and also check out our channel. Alright, the next step is going to the website, and we're going to download the desktop software. So you can click right here, Tablet Pro Hotkeys. This will bring you to the install guide, the one you're watching right now, and I have all the links right in that spot. And right here is the stylus button. If you guys don't have a stylus yet or want one that's made for digital art as opposed to annotation, then this is the link for you. Just click right there. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and click on the Tablet Pro installer. Click yes. When this is done, you're going to see right down here there's these little icons. This is Touch Zoom Desktop, this is Touch Mouse Pointer, and the pen tool, once we open it, will be over here in the task tray. Alright, we're going to click on Standard. I agree. Next. Next. And we're going to activate our license that we purchased in the store app. We're going to click yes. So we're going to activate right here, activate by store app. It's going to look in here. Yay, you already purchased. And this should be activated now. We can look at it by going into the About dialog right here. You can see all features activated. All right, you're done. We've accomplished installing Tablet Pro, and we're going to click right here. It's going to open up this little mode right here. This is the side mode. Right-clicking on the icon will give you some other options. So you can see here a more customized artist pad. Yours will not look like this yet. So if you right-click over here or click on the hamburger menu, you can choose Layout and Edit or Load, and that will give you an option of loading a custom one. Now we're going to take this a little bit further. Marius and I worked really hard for a couple months to get this set up for you. So we're going to go over here to the Start menu, and we're going to launch the pen tool for the very first time. When you do that, it's going to bring up the Start Guide. Choose the stylus that's the most like yours. If you want to purchase any one of these three, you can see these little blue links will bring you there. All right, click here, read this. We cannot override a program that has something connected to a button on the pen. And here is the magic setting. So associate pen tool with Tablet Pro for already known apps. Click that, and this is showing you where you will find that app. All right, and here we go. Okay, so now we have all of these are already added in for you, which means let's go ahead and close this. And let's open up another program, and you can see that the artist pad for OneNote opened automatically. Let's open up Blender. The one for Blender opens up automatically. You can adjust this, so let's go ahead and open this up. And if you want Blender to have a different setting, then middle click and right click. By the way, if you want this to work, you need to install WinTab in Blender. You click Edit, Tablet Pro, and you can choose the file, you can choose which mode to use, and how long to wait before switching. There's a couple different settings in here. And while it's switching from program to program and artist pad to artist pad, it is changing these things as well. The default one is right here, default generic, and I'm going to show you a really cool trick because I think this is awesome. Okay, so we're going to click right here with the pen, and we're going to drag this down here to the keyboard. We're going to click on click, apply. Check this out. I think this is super cool. All right. Now I can, anytime I need to bring up the input panel, I can just go right in here and click and open and close it. I can set that to undo or any number of different things and sequence them, which again I think is really cool. Also, if you're in here and you click on the pen, it'll actually bring you to our shop where you can purchase the R520 directly. If you want to update a preset that's set to automatically run, you just go here. So we want a different one for Photoshop. We're going to choose Edit, Tablet Pro, Browse Presets, and we'll find the one that we want to use, and we'll just select it. And now this one will automatically launch whenever we open Photoshop. All right, that was not too bad. You guys are all set up and everything should be switching automatically for you. If you have questions or comments, please put it in the comment section. You can reach out to me at justice@tabletpro.com if you have support questions. I also have a couple personal settings that I set up on mine that if you guys are looking for those, I'll put those in the description. Real quickly, going into layout details, I set button margins to 5. In mode, I keep enable. In artist pad settings, I do background image off. And that's it for pretty much everything on my custom ones. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to edit your layout. To start, just that little quick tip, you're going to right click, choose layout and edit. If you have an artist pad or something open, you can click on the hamburger menu, choose layout edit, or you can right click anywhere and do the same thing. And that's going to open up the layout editor. In the description, I'll have a couple more settings for you guys to apply if you want yours to look exactly like mine. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And until next time, stay creative and have a wonderful day.